All right, now you're in my kitchen. This is a half stick of melted butter, okay? What this is going to do is it's going to kind of emulsify the thing so it sits easier on the chicken. And this is about a cup of, in this case, mango salsa. You could substitute your favorite hot sauce for this if you wanted to, but since everybody uses hot sauce, and we kind of like mango salsa, that's what we're using, okay? Kind of mix that in. Now we're going to take, a good tablespoon of honey. This is going to give it just a little sweetness that I think you'll probably like. And even though that salsa's got a little bit of heat, just about 3 jiggers of, I'm using tapatio, okay? We're going to mix that all in together. Now, you can heat this up if you want to. That's perfectly okay. I'm not going to because, well, we're kind of hungry here. So now the only thing left to do is to take the chicken legs, and this is what's left over from dinner last night. Been in the refrigerator all night, nice and cold, ready to go. And we're just going to toss them like this in here. We're going to get all of that good mixture on them, just like that. And we'll bring back the container they were in. We're just going to set them right in there, just like this. We just put them back in the container where they started at, and they are ready to munch on. We'll set it here, and we'll just pour some of that right over the top, just like that. We'll save that. That'll be a good snack later. That's how we do it. Now what we need is we need a taste test. So I'm going to get my friend Chuck and my producer and effects guy Anthony, who's been holding the camera, and we're going to have them give a taste test on this. So let me go get Chuck. We got Anthony here, and we'll see how this tastes. The first one to go will be the cameraman, everything else guy that gets these videos done. Anthony's going to make a first shot at it. Go ahead there, buddy. Tell us what you think. Good? All righty. Next one will be Chuck, my buddy, and he's a connoisseur of everything food. So we'll see. He's good? All righty. So, that's how to make a real fast sauce for chicken. Now, you can do the same thing and just use your favorite hot sauce in there. That'll work just fine. So, until next time, if there is a next time, eat away, and I got to get back to painting.